Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the keyboard language on your Mac. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. In the search bar at the top of the Settings window, type Keyboard and click on the keyboard option that appears. Once the keyboard settings open, look for the section labeled Text Input. Here, you'll see your current keyboard layout, which is probably set to US by default. To change or add another keyboard language, click on Edit. This will open a new window where you'll see your current keyboard layouts listed on the left. To add a new one, simply click on the plus button, select the language you want to add, and then click Add. You'll now see both keyboard layouts in your list. If you want quick access to switch between them, make sure the option Show Input Menu in Menu Bar is turned on. This will place a small icon at the top of your screen, allowing you to easily switch between your selected keyboard languages. If you ever want to remove a keyboard layout, just select it from the list and click the minus button to remove it. And that's it. You've now successfully managed your keyboard languages on Mac. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment below with your questions. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.